Hello and welcome to my shop. Today we're inside. We're having a look at items that I have been given over time. These are usually items that are related to my classic car. And people think, oh, there's a classic car. I could give it to him and he might enjoy it more than I do. So I have some items that I have been given over time, and we'll take a look at them. We'll start with this one. I think this is the most interesting one. It is electromechanical, and it is an option that you would have in the 1970s to protect your car against theft. So we'll have a look at it in detail. So our box comes with a lot of stuff. It actually comes with some installation wire, a manual, the alarm itself. All the loose bits have come out of the plastic bag, and a sticker. We'll put all the loose bits over here. So the manual is actually quite extensive. It has some really nice 1970s, 1960s imagery. The sticker for your windshield that'll let people know that your car is being protected by this highly sophisticated system. A switch that can be mounted outside the car in the bodywork. And also this is a optional switch that you can hide in the interior for immobilizer. This is the unit itself. The cover comes off and you can see it's mainly electrical mechanical, with a big relay and a bimetallic switch. Let's quickly mount this to this test stand that I threw together, and let's see what it is actually all about. Okay, it'll probably come as no surprise to you, but the operation of the unit is quite simple. It mainly works around a relay, this pendulum, bimetallic switch for the timing mounted to a circuit board. What we can do is we can adjust the time with the screw here, and what happens is if you move the car, the pendulum will swing, which can be adjusted here. I'll show that. I've hooked it up to a power supply, and if I just tap this, the relay will come on and the bimetallic switch will heat up and turn the relay off after a set time. And if we want to adjust the timing, we simply take a screwdriver, put it inside and make it smaller or larger, which will adjust the time that the horn is on. So I've hooked up that light to indicate that it's the horn coming on. And as you can imagine, that it would annoy the neighborhood if I were to hook up a real horn. So I think it's quite a clever piece. It has some other functions, mainly to be used as a pass-through. The manual notes that we can hook up the thing as an immobilizer, and there's an immobilizing switch that you can hide in the interior, but this is mainly to as a pass-through, so it doesn't really work with all the internals here. And also you can hook up a micro switch to the car door, for example, and it all works with that alarm switch here in the center, which I've also hooked up, as you can see here. and that just simply switches off the whole thing, and now it doesn't do anything anymore. Well, I'm hoping you enjoyed this look into a 1960s, 1970s car gadget. I think the aesthetics and also the electromechanical aspect of it are quite interesting. And if you like this sort of video and also videos about trips with a classic car, please consider to subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video. Until the next video, goodbye.